Hi guys, my name is Radu and I wish you a very warm welcome to my brand new cooking channel Kitchen Draft. This is the place where you can learn how to cook, improve your cooking skills, or even skip that takeaway night you're usually having. We'll start easy on this channel. We'll start with a recipe that can be done by pretty much anybody, so no excuses when it comes to cooking, because by the end of this video, by the end of this cooking, you should be able to produce your own sausage rolls. You should be able to impress your friends or your family, but then if you don't want to do that, just eat them yourself and you'll be fine. Okay, I'm just gonna drop this mic and I'll see you at the end of this video with a few more tips and tricks. Ciao! And we are back with the wrap up. Wrapping up this video, I have a few points that I want to talk about. Puff pastry, try to use some really good quality puff pastry. Even if you buy it like I did, that's not an issue, because as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, it's got to be fast and it's gonna be efficient. Second would be, try to get some really good quality sausage meat. Get it from your butcher, get it from your shop. As long as it's a good quality and it's got the right fat content, then you'll be good to go and you'll produce some really nice results. Third point, get yourself a pepper mill. I'm not even joking. Get yourself a pepper mill. It's so important. It's absolutely crucial to your cooking. In my opinion, when it comes to seasoning, the freshly grounded pepper is absolutely amazing. Obviously, you don't have to use pepper in all your recipes, but when it comes to use pepper, then that's what you want. Fourth point would be smoked paprika. I absolutely love smoked paprika. Honestly, I'm encouraging you to use smoked paprika into your recipes, into your cooking. It's absolutely amazing. When you want that extra smokiness, get a bit of smoked paprika. That would make a huge difference. Okay, that was today's video. That was sausage rolls. I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, all the best. Ciao.